you're a content creator out there, you know what I'm talking about. But we are going to do that for the sake of our growth, for the sake of the benefits that will be gotten on that, okay? Hi, beautiful family. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you this important information that I will going on 2 week challenge of uploading video every day on my channel for straight 2 weeks to see what will happen to my channel. A lot of people have doing this challenge on their channel, and the result they are gotten is so amazing. So I want to also give it a try to see what also will happen on my channel. Okay, so some do the challenge for 2 weeks, while some do the challenge for 1 month. So I choose 2 weeks to go on the challenge, and after the challenge I'll still come back and let you guys know what happened so far on my channel, if the challenge worth it, if the stress worth it or not. I will let you guys know every full detail you want to know on this 2 week challenge. And if you're a small YouTuber like me and you want to grow your channel, you want to see some good reasonable results on your channel, join me on the challenge. Despite on your niche, join me on the challenge. Comment in comment section below. Let's do the challenge together to grow our channel together. You know, the year remaining 1 month for us to say bye bye to 2024. So let's see what God can do for us. Let's see what will happen to our channel before the end of this year. Okay, so if you are curious to grow your channel, improve your growth, your views, or your subscriber, or your watch hour, if you are curious to know what the 2 week challenge will also do to your channel, we don't really know what will happen next, but I hope so that we're going to get a good result. Join me and let me know in comment section below. Okay, so on this 2 week challenge, there is a lot of benefit to be gotten on this 2 week challenge. Okay, I'll be sharing with you guys very important information that will help you a lot on your hair growth journey. In case if you don't know me, I create content on DIYs, how to grow your hair longer, faster, and healthier. Okay, with only DIY, without to break the bank. Okay, so in this 2 week challenge, I'll be sharing with you guys very important and effective information that will help you a lot in your hair growth journey, that will help you to see very good reasonable results before the end of this year. Okay, and also if you have any hair issues, if you have any hair problem you want me to help you, you want to talk about, let me know in comment section below. And also if there's any hair video you want me to create, also let me know in comment section below. You know that I normally post videos on Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, but this week I'll not be posting Saturday and Sunday. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so this video you're seeing now will be coming up on Thursday, okay, to let you guys know what I'm planning. And the challenge that we're about to start on Monday. Okay, the challenge is going to start on Monday. Okay, so please subscribe. You don't like to miss that important information that will be coming up very soon on your way. Okay, and the uploading time, I normally upload 6:30 p.m. Nigeria time, but on this challenge I'll be uploading 7:30 to 8 p.m. okay, to see what will also happen on my channel. I want to also change my uploading time, and if you have any good or suggestion time you want to suggest for me, feel free to let me know in comment section below. So I'm curious to know what will happen on my channel in this 2 week challenge. I can't wait to see the result. I can't wait to see what algorithm will do to my channel. I pray that algorithm will remember me. I pray that algorithm will favor me on this my 2 week challenge. You know that it's not easy to upload consistent every day. It's not easy. If you're a content creator out there, you know what I'm talking about. But we are going to do that for the sake of our growth, for the sake of the benefits that will be gotten on that. Okay, so join me. Let's do this together, and also share your problems. Also let me know in comment section below if you have tried the challenge before on your channel and your results so far. Let me know your results so far. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, I just want to share this information information with you guys, to know what I'm planning, to know what is going on, okay? So that is it, guys. So please, if you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button now, please, and turn your post notification bell once you subscribe, so that YouTube can notify you whenever I upload a new video. And also like this video, it helps the growth of the channel, and share this video to your family and friends. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.